Established in 2007, Dongguan PTJ Hardware Products Company Limited is a manufacturer of hardware products. It covers an area of about 3,000 square meters and employs 210 people. It is located in Sifang Industrial Park, Xinshapu, Huaide Community. Precision Metal Parts Processing is a company dedicated to the design, processing, and providing technical solutions for precision metal parts. The PTJ Factory established a reputation for providing quality machine parts and job shop services to the Chinese machinery and many leading private sector manufacturers, including Huawei Metal Parts, Zhonglian Zhongke Machinery, Fujian Putian Medical Equipment Metal Parts, etc. PTJ utilizes various quality assurance procedures and equipment to maintain its ISO system. PTJ have many calibrated inspection equipment such as our 2-dimensional detector, 3-dimensional detector, comparator with digit readout, and numerous manual gauges ensure that we can accurately inspect everything we manufacture. We have a series of precision CNC milling machines, precision grinding machines, CNC lathes, 3D projectors, benchtops, vertical drilling machines, etc. Processing and testing equipment. There are 6 carving machines, 20 CNC machines of Franken system and Mitsubishi system, 5-axis machining machine, and 1 set of 3mm and 4.5mm extension machines, etc. At the same time, Taiwan grinding machine, milling machine, Taiwan spark machine, Japan Okamoto water mill and testing equipment station. We monopoly on CNC machining parts, sheet metal stamping parts, and all kinds of screws, nuts, bolts, and other fasteners. Working with a wide variety of materials including aluminum, brass, plastic, mild steels, and stainless steels. It mainly produces all kinds of automobile and marine parts, aluminum products casing, LED heatsink, special screws, aluminum alloy die casting parts, CNC machine tool precision parts, fixtures and automation equipment parts design and processing. After 2015, PTJ began to transform into a factory specializing in CNC machining services for foreign customers. At the PTJ CNC machining factory, we've applied our more than 10 of experience to expand our offerings as a machine shop in China. In addition to providing a series of precision machining services, we also offer grinding, sewing, broaching, painting, and assembly. Now, when you receive your custom machine part from our ISO 9001 certified machine shop, you obtain a complete and inspected product.